Done sit up. Ayan. Ready to bound na to. Bukas. So itis dive na to ni. Itis dive na to ni. Kani wala pa ni na tis dive kay mo pa ni paghuman karon. So ato ni itis dive unya. Ading kani na tis dive na ni. So muna ato old stocks. So brand new ni siya. Kausa pa rin nagamit pod sa tis dive bra. So stock na to ni. Kani siya mag-orharon pa. Muna itong gamiton rong happiness. So tis dive na to ni. Right, so sit up tag rubbers, tara. Itong sit up ning rubbers na to. Sit out tag rubbers, tayong ready to go. Okay, bound to Coron Palawan siya ugma. So waiting na lang ko sa full payment. Wishbone for rubbers. Okay. Thank you for the trust. Wishbone. Finally, done sit up 14mm as requested to the owner. So dalawang pirasong 14mm rubber Tatax life spare. Life spare rubber. So ito yung ano, newly made. So test dive natin to. Ito yung gamitin natin later. So happiness tayo mamayang hapon. Yan. Newly made to. Saka ito old stock natin na 100 cm. So magawa na naman tayo ng pang stocks nito natin. Ito. So happiness. So daghang salamat sa trust. Successful test dive. Yan. At bad, ako din siya. Oo. Successful. Kamutis dive. Ready to ship out. Gwapo, gwapo, gwapo. Morning, packing mode tayo sa dalawang 100 cm. So, ipack natin to. Bound this to Coron, Palawan. Okay, good morning, good morning. Specs, ER15 style, inspired handle design, cuttlefish design, trigger mechanism, Jaiho, 6mm shafting, 6.5, rife design, banhole, and 14mm tatak life spare. Right. Dalawang pieces na 100 cm. Thank you for the trust of Zio Spur Gun. Early blessings. So, Spur Gun, packing, bound to Coron, Palawan. Early blessings, happiness. So, Don Coron, salamat kayo sa tiwala. Salamat sa trust. Okay. Early blessings, guys. Let's go. Padala nato ni sa GRS today. Happiness as always. Thank you for choosing Jaiho Spur Gun.